Best side hustles for women and single mothers in 2026. Even if you're starting from scratch. Let's be honest, the cost of living now is not smiling. The look of nobody's face. Food is expensive. School fees are expensive. Transportation is expensive. Everything seems to be going up, up, except people's salaries. And if you're a single mother, it's even worse. The pressure can feel heavier because there are people depending on you. That's why today I want to talk about side hustles for women and single mothers. Not the fake online jobs, not the send me money and I'll make you rich kind of business. No, I'm talking about real ways women are making extra income today. Okay, so before we start, my name is Irene and I am a single mom of two beautiful kids living in Enugu State of Nigeria. A side hustle is not magic. It's not a shortcut. It's not lottery ticket. Most side hustles take time, consistency, and patience. But if you do it properly, they can become a serious source of income for you. Number one is content creation. Let's start with the one I know best. It's the content creation. Many people think you need millions of followers before you can make money. No, baby, you don't. It's not true. People are earning from Facebook. People are earning from YouTube. People are earning from TikTok. People are earning from different social media platforms. Do you hear what I say? People are earning through brand deals. People are earning through affiliate marketing. People are earning through freelancing. People are earning through anything. Just name it. So the key is consistency. And the beautiful thing is that your life itself can become your content, your experiences, your lessons, your journey, your life, your opinion. People connect with real people. You get my point? So you can make money off of all these things that I just mentioned via content creation. Now, side hustle 2 is selling digital products. You guys, I just launched one of my digital products. I'm going to put it in the description so that you guys can please patronize your gear. You understand? You're going to see it. I'm going to launch it very soon. Digital product. This one is one of the most underrated ways to make money online. People create ebook, templates, checklist, journals, guides, planners, anything, and they sell them repeatedly. That's in one product or whatever it is that you created. You can sell. It's not if you sell it, it finishes. You can sell that one over and over and over and over. So imagine creating something once and then selling it multiple times. That's the beauty of digital products. Or that agwagwo. You've created it, you've created it. No inventory, no delivery bikes, no warehouses where you have to stock everything and full. It is a digital product. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. This one is another one. A lot of women are already doing this without realizing it. You recommend a product, someone buys through your link, and you get paid. You earn a commission for it. You understand? That's affiliate marketing. It could be beauty products, it could be wares, it could be jewelries, it could be anything. It could be fashion, it could be books, it could be basically, and even courses, apps. It could be anything. It could be anything. And you said it. See, the secret is recommending things you genuinely believe in. So people have been making money through affiliating. You just like network marketing. You just tell somebody. Before you just tell somebody and you don't get paid. But now you recommend and you get paid. Number 3 is small food businesses. Food will always say people must chop no matter what. People may even stop buying luxury items. But seafood, get us one, say go chop na lie. I've seen women take money from small chops, cakes, chin-chin, snacks, home-cooked meals. I've sold Zobo, lunch delivery. You don't need a massive restaurant to start. Many successful food businesses started from their own kitchen. You understand? I started from my own kitchen. I supplied Zobo to supermarkets. I'm going to see if I can get the videos and attach them here. So number 5 is social media management. Businesses need help online. I'm a social media manager in case you need my help. Okay. Many business owners don't have time to post content every day. They need someone to create posts for them, reply to comments, upload content, manage their page. If you're already spending hours on social media, why not learn how to monetize it? Monetize that skill. you're going to make huge amount of money. Not huge, but you're going to make money from it. You understand? Side hustle number 6 is hair, beauty, and makeup services. I own a Facebook group that's over 2 million people in it. This industry is huge. Women will always love to look good. They want to look beautiful. They don't want to look like their problem. So whether it's wig installation, whether it's makeup, whether it's nails, whether it's lashes or braiding of hair, or even locks like I'm carrying now, there is demand for it. And many women started with very little before building a loyal customer base. Now, side hustle. I'm sorry, I'm inside the car and I'm sweating. Side hustle 7, because if I on the air conditioner, it becomes noisy. Number 7 is online tutoring. I have a beautiful sister that introduced me to this one. Even though something happened, it didn't work out at the time. If you're good at something, somebody wants to learn it. Is it English? Is it mathematics? Is it cooking? Is it craft? Is it social media? Is it even Igbo language? Is it your personal language? Even parenting advice. Knowledge has value. And thanks to the internet, you can teach people without even leaving your home. You don't need to go to their houses. You stay in your house and teach them. Maybe you have internet. Another side hustle, which is side hustle number 8, is thrift business. See, this business is everywhere for a reason. You understand? People love affordable fashion. They want to look good at affordable rates. Many women buy thrift clothes, clean them up, style them well, and sell them for profit. Some sell through WhatsApp. Yeah, I have people in my WhatsApp that are selling these things. Some sell through Facebook. Some sell through what's that one again? Even Instagram. There's this other online shop that people sell it to. The startup cost can be relatively low compared to the startup cost of other businesses. You understand? But you make money. Another side hustle number 9 is freelancing. One thing the internet has done is create opportunities that didn't exist before. Before, these things, when there'd be no dinner, you understand. Today, people earn money from writing, graphic designs, virtual assistants, video editing. If you need me to edit your videos, let me know, okay? Video over work, customer support, and many other jobs that are there. All these jobs can be done from home. You can do them. Side hustle number 10 is monetizing your community. If you have a Facebook group like I do, WhatsApp group, an audience, or even a network of people that come together, that are in your community that has value. Businesses pay for visibility. They pay you to show their businesses, and people pay me to show their businesses in front of these people. People pay for promotion. People pay to reach customers. Many women are sitting on communities that they don't realize can generate income. In fact, let's talk about it. There are common mistakes that women make. The first mistake is expecting instant success. The second mistake is trying 10 businesses at once. The third mistake is quitting too early. The thing never you don't quit. The fourth mistake is comparing yourself to people who have been doing it for years. Success usually looks slow before it looks successful. You understand? And for single mothers specifically, if you're a single mother watching this, I want to say something. I want to tell you something. Don't focus on finding that perfect side hustle. Focus on finding the side hustle you can actually do and stick with. You understand? Find that one. And then also remember that consistency beats perfection. A business doesn't need to be glamorous. It doesn't need to be big at first. It just needs to solve a problem and generate income. There were times when I used to, in fact, let me even list it as another side hustle. Another side hustle is going to the market for women or people living abroad. Some of the times they want our food. They want our foodstuffs because that's what they are used to living here in Nigeria. But now that they live abroad, they no longer have access to original good food stuffs again. So sometimes they don't want to go through their family members because their family members will give them times 2. Make them pay times 2 of what they shouldn't, you get, or what they should. So now they reach out to people, strangers who can go to the market for them and buy those stuff for them and send it to them. It's another side hustle. I've done it a couple of times. You understand? People reach out to me and be like, can you go to the market and get stuff for me? And then I do it gladly and at a fee. You understand? So if you're watching this video and you live abroad and you want to get stuff here in Nigeria, and it could be food stuff, it could be anything, material, clothes or anything, just reach out to me. Understand? Or drop your comment in the comments and I'll reply you. I do those things, you understand, at a fee, of course. So these things are ways that you make money. Sometimes the thing that changes your life starts as something very small. You understand? It doesn't start like big things. It's not like something very small that you overlook. There are women building businesses from their kitchen. There are women making money from their phones. They did not go anywhere. Women creating content, women selling digital products, or even physical products, women offering services, women rebuilding their lives one step at a time. So the opportunities are there. The question is, which one are you willing to commit to? Which one? Which one you want to do? You know, say you put your everything and see it succeed. Let me know in the comment section. If you have or you had an extra 500,000 naira now to start up a business or a side hustle today, what business would you choose and why? Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.